Lately, I've been thinking about how easy it is to drift away. Not in a dramatic way, just quietly. जब आप अल्लाह ताला से दूर हो जाते हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो आपको किसी हादसे या लॉस से वापस बुलाएं. Sometimes he lets you get busy. वो आपको दुनिया में इतना मसरूफ़ कर देते हैं कि आपको रियलाइज़ भी नहीं होता कि आप उनसे कितना दूर निकल आए हैं. And that's also what I experienced recently. My days were full, but my heart felt so heavy. और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता यूँ लगने लगा जैसे मेरा दिल सख्त हो गया हो. And I know something really well about myself. As long as I can cry in sujood, I know my heart is still soft. But recently the tears didn't come, no matter how much I wanted to cry or how overwhelmed I felt. I felt distant. कहीं ना कहीं मुझे याद भी नहीं कब, लेकिन मैं दुआ करना भूल जाती थी. नमाज के फ़ौरन बाद मुझे किसी न किसी काम को करने की जल्दी होती थी. And if I dig deeper and I'm being honest, though somewhere in my heart a quiet thought settled in that maybe my duas aren't being accepted anyway. That thought didn't make me rebellious. It just made me tired. I tried to distract myself, filled the silence with music, kept myself busy. But the heaviness stayed, like a cloud that follows you everywhere you go. मैं वापस जाना चाहती थी, अल्लाह ताला से बात करना चाहती थी, लेकिन समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ. So I didn't start with long prayers or perfect words or rituals. I started small. सिर्फ उतना जितना मेरा भारी दिल कर सकता था. I called his name. I did dhikr. That was it. And I don't know it's the power of dhikr or what, but slowly something shifted. The cloud thinned, the weight lifted, not all at once, but enough for me to open up again. I felt lighter with people. उनके साथ भी जिनके लिए मेरा दिल थोड़ा सा bitter था. I felt more patient, more grateful, more myself. And then the tears came too. Not from pain, but from relief. From the softness of my heart. I realized something that day. कि जब आपको लगे कि आपका दिल सख्त हो गया है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अल्लाह ताला ने आपको छोड़ दिया है. It's because you got lost in your own worries and affairs. और इसके बावजूद भी he always leaves the door open, waiting for your smallest step to return to him.